Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basics and signing in so you can act immediately. Sign into Apple. Apple. Com or use settings on an iPhone signed into the same Apple ID. Enter your password and complete two-factor authentication when prompted. Make sure the device you want to remove is listed under Devices. Once you see it, note whether it's online and whether you need to erase it first. This determines the next exact steps you'll take. Now proceed to remove the device on Apple. Apple. Com, go to Devices, find and click the device, then choose Remove from Account. On an iPhone, tap the device in Settings and select Remove from Account or Erase this device. Confirm the choice and complete any password or two-factor prompts. If you chose Erase, wait for the process to finish and then remove. Once removed, the device can no longer access iCloud, Find My, or purchase features linked to that Apple ID. Finish by confirming the device is gone from your devices list. Sign out and sign back in, if needed, so the change updates across your devices. If the device was offline, understand removal will complete when it next connects. You can still reset the password to block access immediately. If something goes wrong, you can't remove it, you don't receive two-factor codes, or it still shows, reset your Apple ID password and then try again. Or contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.